Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make money on clickbank. So what is clickbank? Clickbank is a global e-commerce platform and affiliate marketplace, founded in 1998. The company has more than 6 million clients worldwide, which secured it in becoming the 87th largest internet retailer in North America. So I will show you how to sign up and find a good product to promote. Once you find a good product, clickbank will give you a unique affiliate link that points to the vendor's sales page. All you have to do then is make people buy through that link. You earn a commission for any sale made through your affiliate links. So let's start by searching clickbank.com. Take a second read through. Click on Become Affiliate. Go to Start here. Please answer those few questions. Enter your email and submit. Enter your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and password. And your password must contain these. Continue to the terms and condition. Then click on Join ClickBank. So here please take time complete your profile carefully. So now you are almost done. So now go to clickbank.com and click on Login. Then enter your email and password that you set earlier, then log in. Create a nickname to continue. Then click Sign Up. So to make money, I will show you how to get a link to promote, and whoever buys the product you will get a commission. Here you will be able to see the money that you made. So go to Marketplace. You can see the different categories to the product that you can promote. So let me show you how to get a product to promote and your unique link. Here you can search. The click promote. Then go to generate hop links. This is the link that you will be using, so whoever buys from it you will get paid. So in order to get people to buy from your link, you can use other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or use YouTube Shorts. So try it or comment down below if you want me to show you how to get traffic on your link. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.